We have to laugh this evening. This issue with Chris Gayle and this wild and senseless tirade against West Indies bowling great Curtly Ambrose, who in speaking as an analyst opined that Gayle should not be an automatic selection in the team because he's not the player he used to be. He's now 42 years old. He's had a poor run of recent form. All facts. But the so-called universe boss jump up in his feelings and attack the legend, saying he, Gayle, has lost all respect for Ambrose and him done with Ambrose because him diss the universe boss and one cocos bag of nonsense. But let me say this, to Chris Gayle and all the other West Indies players, including Captain Kieron Pollard, who was also busy telling journalists they should stop questioning him and just support the team and blah, blah, blah. Like them take journalists and analysts for cheerleaders. Yes. What people like Gayle and Pollard and the rest of these recent sacred gods of West Indies cricket, what them for try to do is to go to the World Cup and make runs, take wickets, take catches, win matches, and win back the World T20 title. That is what UNO must do. And stop ball. But the media this and the media that, like some little sissy, like some little baby, like some baby girl. We're gonna start the ball in a big man. We're gonna stop it, baby. Stop it.